Hello, guys. It's Dave Santarelli here from BreakingChartAlerts.com. I wanted to go over this pre-market video, show you guys what's going on in the market this morning. First off, Dow futures pre-market. Dow's up about 270 points. NASDAQ's up about 93 points. SPY's up about 30 here. We're getting a lift because President Trump is tweeting he wants to pass a stimulus bill, give $1,200 paychecks to Americans, and just cut the funding a little bit from what the Democrats wanted. So we're getting a little pop off that news. I think yesterday was more of a scare tactic than anything. So we're seeing Dow here up about 250 points here, still continuing to climb. Let's see if we can take out the lows. We're getting that 1020 cross coming up on Diamond ETF. Qs, we're still gradually climbing, holding above that 1020 simple moving average. And SPY, same thing. Nice climb, 1020 cross coming up and looking good. So not much going on in the news except for Trump's tweets. And let's go down the watch list here. AMD still looking great there. That's looking good for about that $90 target. Amazon climbing. It's still holding above that 20-day simple moving average on a daily chart. Let's see. Financials are still getting a climb. Baidu's flat. Booking had a big day yesterday, retraced. Citigroup still looking great for that hook pattern setup. Chipotle is on fire. This is going to be a nice one to trade to up about 1,300 or even 1,350. So Chipotle we could put on our watch list. Cisco not doing much there. Airlines are getting a nice pop today. Disney not doing so much. Facebook still holding that 260, holding above that 1020 simple moving average. Google holding above that 10, still in the consolidation box. Let's see, Macy's is up over 2% today. If we start to climb above, let's say about 625 on Macy's, we could look for a short little swing trade with some regular calls on that. McDonald's is still strong, holding above that 1020 simple moving average consolidation for the past 3 days here. Looking for a further breakout. This is one that was upgraded to 240 a share, if you remember, earlier this week. Microsoft not doing too much. Nike having a nice pop here in the pre-market hours, up about 1.34%. That's definitely one we want to put on our watch list. Let me get my pen here. So our watch list will have Chipotle, Nike, and let's see what else we got going on. NVIDIA is up about 2% again. This is one we're going to have to take a look at. NVDA, that one's still continuing to break higher. They raised their price target to 600. Some of them were at, what, 650, I think? It's a big breakout there. Overstock's up over 2%. Pinterest looking good. Qualcomm's still looking strong here. I'm going to put Qualcomm on our watch list. Like that setup there. Snapchat still holding strong. How about yesterday? They said that TikTok passed Instagram as one of the top social media apps. Tesla not doing too much, but shares up about 1.4% in the pre-market hours. Visa's looking pretty good there. I like that setup on Visa. I'll put that to our watch list as well. I'll be looking for a candle above 205 for Visa. Zynga's been really strong, guys. I think we could trade Zynga up to about 10 to 1050 a share. And guys, that's pretty much going to do it. I mean, it's a totally news-driven market, so you got to keep in mind, trade small ahead of election here, and make sure you're listening to the market, the news, everything going on. I mean, Trump's Twitter account is gold. You know, you look at that, see what's going on. So we're getting a bounce from yesterday. I like that. We had a protective hedge on SPY, so we'll close that out. Let's take a look at NEE, Nextera. That's getting a big climb here in the pre-market hours, up $5 here in the pre-market hours, 292.90. We're going to have some really nice profits on this Nextera trade that we got yesterday. So I might be adding to this Nextera trade. I think we're easily going to see that 300 target. Alrighty, guys, I hope everyone has a great day today. Make sure you stay safe, and God bless. And I'll see you guys live shortly. Take care, guys.